I'm Tiffany Dill. I am so excited to start this show Beyond the Limitations because I am a mother with a disability. I am also an occupational therapist, and I've seen that life can change at the blink of an eye. So I lived the majority of my life with severe to profound hearing loss. I wear bilateral hearing aids, and I have learned to seek out my strengths and live beyond the limitations. So nothing really has ever stopped me from doing the things that I enjoy. I just may have to do things a little bit differently, and that's okay. But I started this show because I want to help you live beyond the limitation so that you can live more freely and joyfully. Because everyone deserves equal access to a place they want to live, a place they want to play, a place they want to work. So a lot of these topics and products and designs that I talk about are relevant to maybe parts of universal design because there's 7 principles really, but there's not really a one size fits all, but there is a one size that fits most, and that's what universal design is. It's flexible, it's multi-purpose, it's user-friendly, it's intuitive, and it encompasses a lot of other topics that fall underneath universal design, such as ergonomics and sustainability and that sort of thing. So as a mother with a disability, my eyes have opened even more because I've experienced life with a temporary disability. And who would have ever known that, being pregnant or going through postpartum can limit you from doing a lot of things. And it's not really your limitation. It's really the limitations of where you are, where you're going, and what you want to do, because sometimes there's barriers and roadblocks. So I'm here to help you go around them, go over them, make life easier for you, help you plan ahead, plan for the future. So if you know you have surgery coming up, or if you're building a home, and maybe it's your forever home, maybe you're aging in place, maybe you're a mom, maybe you're going through postpartum. These are all things that affect our daily life and how we function in our daily life. And so I am here to make those things easier for you so that you can be more independent and live more freely and more joyfully. A lot of the products and the designs that I talk about on this show are not to sell you on a specific product, a specific brand, or a specific design. It's really to see what options you have, because not everyone knows about these options. And I want to help you find the option that is the best fit for you. I love educating, sharing tips, so I'm here to educate, to inspire, to empower you, and ultimately infuse spaces with universal design and accessibility. I'm here to influence the design of products and spaces. There's no particular order to watch these clips. I'm really talking to anyone from mothers to someone that's aging in place, someone trying to find their forever home or build their forever home, to those with temporary to permanent disabilities, and even professionals. You may have a client as well that are facing some of these obstacles in their home or in their spaces, and maybe you're looking for tools and resources for your kit so that you can show these to your clients. Hope you enjoy this show and learn a lot from these products and design ideas. This is what I do for my clients, and I really want to do this for you, for everyone. Like I said, I think everyone should have equal access to resources and recommendations and be able to choose the place they want to live, work, and play. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to hit subscribe so that you can follow any of the new uploads that are happening on this show. Have a great day, and I look forward to talking to you some more.